Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name is Marissa and welcome to this video where we will be going over the basics, the step-by-steps, the how-tos, the beginner tutorial-ish things about affiliate marketing here in 2019. I'm going to be giving away some cool ideas on this video, assuming you are a person looking to get into affiliate marketing, maybe making some side income with affiliate marketing, or your full-time career like I do. So let's go ahead and get right into this video after this. Alright, welcome back to the video, you guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you are new to this channel and to this video, welcome. What I talk about on this channel is all things affiliate marketing, online business in general, and of course lifestyle stuff and a couple of travel videos here and there because I am a digital nomad and I like to share my worldwide experiences with you guys. So if any of that sounds good to you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I'm uploading very consistently right now and I wouldn't want you guys to miss any of this great content. So by show of hands, who here is interested in affiliate marketing? I know I am, and I know I always will be. I love the business model. It's something that anybody can do, anybody can get into, to make a side income, and as I said, a full-time income. So what is it really quick? Assuming you may not know the definition, affiliate marketing is just another way to say referral marketing or a referral program. So any company that wants people to sell their products or their services or products, whatever it is, gives a person a specific link or code or something like that for them to market their product. And when the person in the middle markets the product and makes a sale, whether it be online or in person, that person gets a commission. The commission can range anywhere from 10% to 50%, and in some cases, if it's a lower ticket product, maybe even 100%. In some instances. So I first wanted to start off with how people do affiliate marketing, and the number one way people do affiliate marketing is marketing products that they like and they use on social media. So that's kind of like an umbrella topic right there, is social media. So that includes blogs, YouTube channels, Instagrams, Facebook, whatever, Pinterest, LinkedIn's, anywhere where you can market a product, anywhere where you can put a link in your bio or in your description, and you have an audience that follows you on social media, they can go and click on products that you recommend. So you could either you can do indirect marketing or direct marketing with these affiliate marketing products. So let's say you're really into beauty, right? And you have a Instagram or a YouTube channel centered around beauty, and if you're marketing a certain lotion or new product or eyeshadow or whatever it is, you can just have your referral links or affiliate links in the description in your social media channel. And that is one way that people really capitalize on commissions, is building up their social medias and having a big audience and having traffic go to their descriptions 24/7 all day long. The next popular way that people do affiliate marketing is having digital courses and selling these courses over and over. The cool thing about digital courses is that usually when you're teaching something, whether it's an online something or an offline something, so if it's cooking, versus teaching people how to do videography, no matter what it is you're teaching, you're gonna have to, teach how to use certain tools. So you can recommend the tools that you use, and if people choose to use the same tools as you, you can leave a link to whatever thing it is, because most likely if it's cooking or something like that and you have a physical product, it's on Amazon. And if it's a digital product or a digital online tool, like an email marketing platform or a video editing platform, you can leave the link to those things inside your course. So as you make money for the sale of your course, you can also make money from marketing affiliate products within your course. So next I wanted to mention the types of products that I prefer to market, and the first type that I prefer to market are those types of affiliate products that offer recurring commission. So if people buy a subscription to something, some type of online business tool, I'm gonna say, hey, yes, I want to promote this because every month I will receive, anywhere from a 30% to a 50% commission as long as that person stays signed up to that product and continues to use it, which usually is quite a long time, anywhere from 6 months to a year, maybe even longer. So for example, the email marketing platform I use, I signed up through somebody else's affiliate link, and I signed up like a year ago, so that person's been getting commissions for me and vice versa. So it's like when I teach things as well, I can easily teach people how to build sales funnels and do email marketing, and I'll just say, hey, by the way, I really like this system. If you're interested, here's the link to get started for a 2-week trial, because if I like a product and recommend it, most likely people will follow suit because they don't really want to go and do the research of, oh, which one should I use? Which one do you recommend? They'll usually say, okay, cool, I'll give it a try. And if they continue to use it, then you get that monthly commission every time that they are, purchasing the product month by month. I also like to market products that offer a high ticket commission. And what that means is a minimum commission of $1,000 or more. It's a one-time commission for making a sale on a product that costs anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 and up. Those are the two types of products I like to market. One with the reoccurring commissions because it's reliable and predictable, and the high ticket because that is what is giving me the income boost, is selling those high ticket sales. So as I've mentioned many times before about talking about building brands and building audiences, the way that affiliate marketing becomes passive and becomes a very lucrative opportunity is when you start to build an audience. So let's say you're in the niche of barbecuing and you have a YouTube channel about barbecuing. I say barbecuing because I like barbecue, and I've seen a lot of barbecue YouTube channels, and it's incredible how many affiliate products they have, and it's super cool because I never would have even thought about barbecuing. But if you look at some of these barbecue channels, they're having affiliate links to all the products they use, whether it's food, tools for the grill, whatever it is. So the main thing with building an audience is if people come to learn and like whatever it is you're talking about and teaching, barbecuing, for example, you're giving away tips, tricks, recipes, your favorite sauces, your favorite flavors, your favorite whatever it is you do when you barbecue, and people like that. They like to learn. They're like, okay, cool, and like, what is it that he uses? And I want to use the same thing, or he or she, whoever is barbecuing. And you can refer anything, really. I mean, you can refer shoes. The other day I found a backpack review channel that was amazing because I was looking for a nice Nomad backpack for all my stuff, and the guy just has like a slew of backpacks that he affiliate markets. So he markets the backpacks that he likes, and whenever somebody buys the backpack, it's not his brand, it's somebody else's, they make a commission. And I wanted to mention one thing about also selling a course, a digital course. Usually, most of the time, you can have the capability to have affiliates market your course. So it's like affiliate marketing within affiliate marketing, because you have affiliates who, if they know, like, and trust you, once, your brand does get bigger, you can have affiliates working for you and market your product, and whenever they make sales, you give them a percentage of the commission. So it's really cool how it just kind of goes in circles and everybody wins with affiliate marketing. Now, as I get to the end of this video, I wanted to recommend something that I did when I got started with affiliate marketing, and this pertains mostly to YouTube. It could work for other social media platforms, but mostly it works for YouTube and for blogging. It's very popular with blogging. And that is called an affiliate launch. So all of these people who create products online are always looking for affiliates to promote them, whatever. This applies to any niche. So if you can find websites that have affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, jvzoo.com, and I'll leave more links in the description for other niches as well, like health, for example. If you can find products that are about to launch, or which means release, which means they're not in the market right now, and you do a review on them before they come out. And the reason why that's called it's called launch jacking is because you are positioning your video or your blog post to receive the most amount of traffic once the product launches. Because what happens is the people that produce the product, and also big affiliates that help market the product and launch the product, they email blast their list, and once people receive this email like, oh, what is this product? what are they going to do? They're going to go to Google, they're going to go to YouTube, and they're going to look up if this is a good product, like, you know, such and such name, product name, review. And if your YouTube video and if your blog is positioned at the top to receive this traffic, you more than likely 99% will make a sale. And that is how I actually got my affiliate marketing business jump started, as I jacked a bunch of new products, and I positioned myself to get, you know, commissions and also followers and an audience and subscribers. So I highly recommend giving, you know, an affiliate launch or launch jacking a try if you're, you know, trying to do the same thing online. So I hope this video was helpful and brought you guys some insight. I do have additional videos on this very topic in the first link in my description below if you guys are looking to learn more about affiliate marketing. It's what I love. It's what I'll continue to do forever, no matter what type of business I have. So I invite you guys to check out the first link in the description if you're interested in learning more. I will see you on the next video. Everyone have a great day and take care.